Hi friends, Teacher Josie here. Today I am going to teach you how to make some nature paintings. So the first step is to go hunting outside for different things you find in nature. I went around and looked at our school and I found this brown leaf, some smaller red leaves, some white baby's breath. It's kind of a funny name, but they're little flowers. And then a few sticks and some grass. You can also find any materials you find out in nature. You can find nuts or rocks or anything you find. Make sure if you find any garbage that you throw it away. So today I'm going to paint not with a paintbrush, but with my nature supplies. So the next step is to get your paint. Here I have different colors that remind me of fall. Red, yellow, brown, orange, and green. What I'm going to do first, after I set my paper down, is I'm going to set my colors up and pick which piece I want to paint with. I think I'm going to try the little white flowers first. So I'm going to pick any color I want and dab it so gently in my paint. And then it comes up on my paper. It's interesting to see what kind of shapes come up. Here is some of my baby's breath. Next, I'm going to try the red leaf. I think I'm going to use red paint for the red leaf. Sometimes it helps if you use your paintbrush to paint the leaf. That way, paint gets all over it. The paper plate is a little bit small for all of my materials, so my paintbrush comes in handy. Once I get it all painted up, I can press it on my paper. Then I lift it up. Ta-da! A red leaf. Now I'm going to use my grass. You can either tie it together with a rubber band or you can just pinch it really tight with your pincher fingers. Dab it in the color you want. I challenge you to write your name with the grass. Or maybe draw your favorite shape or your favorite numbers. This is my grass. Next, I'm going to use that big brown leaf I found. It's almost as big as my face. I think I'm going to use green and yellow and a little bit of brown too. When you're at home, you can use whatever paint color you want if you have it. Okay, so I painted my leaf. I'm going to crush it onto my paper. All right. And now we have a big leaf. Next thing you gotta do is write your name on your paper and have your parent take a picture of it so that they can send it to your favorite preschool teacher and we can see it and eventually show it to your kindergarten teacher. Thank you so much for painting with me, friends. I had a great time. See you later.